Hello, microbiology. By now you have hopefully gone into Canvas and been able to do your first lab. As you know, we have class on Monday and Tuesday. On Monday, we usually conduct our experiments, and Tuesday is our days for us to get the results of those experiments. Because it requires 24 hours for microorganisms to grow, we cannot do everything on the same day. On that Tuesday, I will also then complete any lecture that I may have started on Monday but did not get to a chance to complete. So this is why Mondays and Tuesday are important days. This year I am doing a soft pilot for a hybrid for microbiology. So as you see, you have some online dates like today, since we did not have class on Monday due to Martin Luther King. And so because of that, there was no lab for us to then take a look at today. But there are online labs that we need to complete so that we are very much prepared to meet on the 22nd and be able to conduct them. So I know there are some new people in the class, and just in case you haven't gotten used to everything, I wanted to start out with the Canvas page. And once you're there, you'll want to go ahead and sign in using your Mercer password and username. And so I'll sign into that. And apparently my password for the moment was incorrect. Let's see. So once you end up on your dashboard, which is here, you want to go ahead and click on our class, microbiology. And you should come to this page. This is an important page, and hopefully you've taken a look at the Canvas overview for students. If you have not, then let me implore that you do so now. Here's all of the information for myself that you'll need. And one of the most important tabs that we have here is McGraw-Hill Connect. Because we use Connect, and hopefully you've gotten your code by now, you'll be going into this tab a lot. So we want to connect. Click on Connect, and you want to then go to my Connect section. If you have not signed up for the free, there may be a go to my Connect section, and then it'll tell you you do not have access, you need to sign up. But this is the course that we're signing up for here. And so once you have this, you want to go to my Connect section. And there you should see your lab. And so for last week, which is to be completed by today, was that microscope lab. And so you would have clicked on the lab. And then you would complete the lab. As we see that there are already students have gone through and done the lab very good. So there is not much to say on this one. Just wanted to make sure that you understood how to, and I see I have maybe only one student that hasn't. So if you've gone through and done the lab, I'm very appreciative of this, so I don't have to walk you through how it goes. What I will say is, now that I see that everyone has done the lab, I will go ahead and put up the 2 labs for today, and those labs will be due by next week. As I said, I always give you 1 week in order to complete your labs. And when we get to class next Monday on the 22nd, any questions that we might have about the syllabus and how things are going, I'll definitely be able to answer them at that time. I just wanted to create an online video just in case students were having any issues with going through what they see here in our Canvas website. Just make sure you know where your syllabus is and where you can get that downloaded here if you might, and then also where you can see your grades. And so of course grades are here. Anything else I usually will put in modules. So all the PowerPoints that we have in class are already here in your module. And then you'll also see some other things that I'll populate throughout the course. And once they're there, I will let you know that they are present. All right. So again, you want to make sure that you go to your home page and that you have looked through the student Canvas overview, that you go to Connect to find your assignments, and then that you also go to modules when you're looking for things like your PowerPoints, or also they will have links to the module, links to your online assignments as well as your exams. All right, nothing else. So thank you.